Hello everyone, my name is Gizem. Today we will learn ROS. What is ROS and why it is important and how to use it in our Linux system. So ROS is a meta operating system, which means that it requires a mother operating system, either Linux or it works Windows as well, but it is commonly installed on top of Linux operating systems on a distribution, often on Ubuntu, but it is supported by different distributions as well. Currently, I have Ubuntu 20.04, which has ROS 2 Foxy installed on it, and I will show the commands on top of this distribution, but most of those commands work in any kind of ROS 2 distributions. Let's get started. First of all, what is ROS and why do we need it? As I said, it is a meta operating system, but more importantly, it is open source operating system, which means that the volunteers are supporting and maintaining the packages, which we will discuss in a short while even more. So it is based on voluntary job, but also by very, very smart people in this world, probably the smartest one in the robotics environment. So I really appreciate their effort, and we are trying our best to contribute in the ROS environment. It has been like a bit more research level for many years, but it has been shifting now. ROS Industrial is stepping up, and more companies are using ROS in their products as well, both in research level, both at the research level, but also at the product level. So ROS is getting even more wider and wider. So we have a website that we are using in our ROS teaching. You can go to Further Dynamics, github.io, HVL Robotics website, courses, and ELE 306. So you can find the introductory tutorials that I will be following in this video series. And we are using a virtual machine and a virtual machine player, VMware. If you want to do all the things that I am using or I am doing in here, either you can download the VMware and by following this link, or you can have a Linux and Ubuntu 20.04 and Foxy, ROS 2 Foxy installed in your system. So in this video series, the plan is to show you some ROS basics, starting with ROS introduction, like what is ROS and how to use it, like some simple skills in ROS, so to say. And there we will also discuss about ROS file system, because it's very important where you place your files and the type of the files, how they are located and how they are connected, so to say. So to do that, we will first create a package and learn about some basic concepts: publisher, subscriber, and launch. Afterwards, we will go a little bit more advanced and create our very first robot. In here, we will discuss about the robot model, how to visualize and simulate it. And then we will see how to add sensors and controllers to command our robot. Afterwards, this is a bit tentative plan, but we can talk about more specific subjects, let's say different communication patterns, actions, parameters, and services. And we can discuss about namespaces and other kind of common but a bit more advanced subjects within ROS. But the plan is to go with the ROS basics, and we will see how much it will be needed later on.